Hello guys, today we're going to learn how to connect a universal TV remote to a Roku TV. So I purchased this GE8 Pro model from Walmart. It was $18 plus tax, and this remote control is universal, can connect Sony, LG, Sharp, Roku, Apple TV, RCA, Panasonic, smart TVs, streaming players, Blu-rays, DVD, and it has a very simple setup, and it comes in black color. First of all, we're going to put the batteries inside. So the batteries, it takes AA large size 2 batteries. So remember that if you remove the batteries, it will reset the code and you have to set up again. So first of all, once sooner you put the batteries, it will turn on the back light as well. So what you have to do is press the setup button until the red light on the top left corner blinks permanently. Once it blinks permanently, you press TV and then again press the red light button until the TV turns off. As you can see, we see TV turn off. Once the TV turn off, you have to turn on manually. Make sure your remote is pointing towards the TV where the sensor is. Once the TV turn back on, you have to press volume up button until TV turn off again. So you can see I press 5 to 10 times and TV turn off. Now it set it up. So now you have to press, it detects the code. Now you have to press the TV one time and the light will turn off. Now you just regularly press the power button and the TV will turn on. As you can see it, TV turn on right away. So I will demonstrate the turn on and off for a few times so you know that this is set up. As you can see, the process was very simple. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any question, please comment below and I will get back to you. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.